children, how are you? Now, in this session, we will discuss sexual reproduction in flowering plant. As you know, flowering plants are called angiosperms. So, how sexual reproduction take place in flowering plant, we will discuss. Now, the reproductive organs of the plant are found in flower. Reproductive organs of plant are found in flower. Now, this is the longitudinal section LS of a flower. As you know, there are four parts of a flower: sepals, which are also called as calyx; petals, which are also called as corolla, which are variously colored; stamen, it is called as male reproductive organ of the flower; pistil, it is called as female reproductive organ of the flower. So how many parts of flower are there? Sepal, petal, stamen, pistil. Stamen is the male reproductive part and pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. Now, coming to the male reproductive organ of the flower. So what is the name of male reproductive organ? Stamen. There are two parts of a stamen. This is called as filament. This is called as anther. And inside anther, pollen grains are formed. Okay? Inside anther, pollen grains are formed. Pollen grains are the male gamete of the plant. Male gamete. Please note, male reproductive organ is stamen and male gamete is pollen grain, which are formed inside anther. How many pollen grains are formed inside anther? They may be 100, they may be thousands. Number of pollen grains are formed inside anther. And when these pollen grains are formed, this anther bursts and these pollen grains are released outside. How many pollen grains are formed? They may be 100 or 1000. But the structure of each pollen grain is same. So each pollen grain, this is one pollen grain. Like this, hundreds and thousands of pollen grain can be formed. So each pollen grain contains two layers. Outer layer is called exine. Inner layer is called intine. Outer layer is called exine. Inner layer is called intine. On exine, small pores are present known as germ pores. क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं? Germ pores. Below intine, you are seeing three nucleus. Out of them, two are male gametes. एक pollen grain के अंदर दो male gamete होते हैं. There are two male gametes found inside one pollen grain. And there is one tube nucleus. Once again, structure of pollen grain. Each pollen grain contains two layers, exine, intine. Exine contains germ pore, and below intine there are two male gametes and one tube nucleus. So this was about male reproductive organ and male gamete. Now comes to female reproductive organ. Female reproductive organ, just now I have told you pistil. So this pistil is made up of three parts. Ovary, this is style, and this is stigma. So all these three parts are called as pistil. Now, inside ovary, embryo sac is present. Embryo sac. Just once more. Inside ovary, ovule is present. And inside ovule, embryo sac is present. पक्का? ओवरी के अंदर ओव्यूल होता है, ओव्यूल के अंदर एम्ब्रियो सैक होता है, and inside embryo sac, egg cell is present. And egg cell is called female gamete of the plant. जैसे पॉलन ग्रेन को हम लोग मेल गैमीट कहते हैं, इसी तरह से एग सेल को फीमेल गैमीट कहते हैं। तो ओवरी कंटेन ओव्यूल, ओव्यूल कंटेन एम्ब्रियो सैक एंड एम्ब्रियो सैक कंटेन एग सेल। दिस इज द बिग डायग्राम ऑफ एम्ब्रियो सैक। दिस एम्ब्रियो सैक जो छोटा सा दिख रहा है आपको, इट कंटेन एग सेल, पोलर न्यूक्लियाई एंड एंटीपोडल सेल्स। एम्ब्रियो सैक के अंदर एग सेल होती है, पोलर न्यूक्लियाई होता है और एंटीपोडल सेल होती हैं। तो फाइनली मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन स्टेमन, मेल गैमीट pollen grain, female reproductive organ pistil, female gamete egg cell। तो गैमीट बन चुके हैं अब। नाउ these pollen grain will be pollinated। अब ये pollen grain with the help of water, insect, wind, human being, they are transferred from anther to the stigma of a flower। The process is called pollination। तो pollination का मतलब होता है transfer of pollen grain from anther to the stigma of a flower। Now this pollination is of two types: self pollination, in which pollen grain of one flower are transferred from the anther to the stigma of the same flower। उसी प्लांट के एंथर से उसी के स्टिग्मा पर गिर जाएंगे। ओके एक होता है क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन, ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम एंथर टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ अनदर फ्लावर ऑफ अनदर प्लांट ऑफ सेम स्पीशीज। प्लीज नोट वंस अगेन, ट्रांसफर ऑफ पॉलन ग्रेन फ्रॉम एंथर टू द स्टिग्मा ऑफ अनदर फ्लावर ऑफ अनदर प्लांट ऑफ द सेम स्पीशीज। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन। ओके बच्चा लोग, तो पॉलन ग्रेन कहां पहुंच चुके हैं? स्टिग्मा पर, पॉलिनेशन से। नाउ वी विल डिस्कस फर्टिलाइजेशन। ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ व्हाट इज फर्टिलाइजेशन? फर्टिलाइजेशन का मतलब होता है सिनगैमी। Now how you will define syngamy or fertilization? Fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization or syngamy। So when pollen grain by the process of pollination reaches to the stigma of a flower, तो जब pollen grain pollination से स्टिग्मा पर पहुंचते हैं तो देयर इंटाइन, जो इनर लेयर होती है पॉलन ग्रेन की, इंटाइन, इट फॉर्म्स पॉलन ट्यूब। क्या बना देती है बच्चा लोग? इट फॉर्म्स पॉलन ट्यूब। एंड इनसाइड दैट पॉलन ट्यूब इन फ्रंट देयर इज ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस, एंड बिहाइंड ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस देयर आर टू मेल गैमीट्स। ओके, so when pollen grain reaches to the stigma of a flower, intine form pollen tube, and inside pollen tube, tube nucleus is there and two male gametes are there। Now this pollen tube slowly and gradually enter into embryo sac। ये धीरे धीरे embryo sac में enter कर जाती है। As it enter into embryo sac, जैसे ही ये एम्ब्रियो सैक में एंटर करती है तो ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस डिस्ट्रॉयज, ट्यूब न्यूक्लियस गायब हो जाता है। अब क्या बचे रह गए? टू मेल गैमीट्स। तो व्हेन pollen tube enter into embryo sac, tube nucleus destroys, one male gamete, जो दो मेल गैमीट बचे थे उसमें से one male gamete fuses with egg cell and forms zygote। One male gamete fuses with egg cell to form zygote। Second male gamete fuses with polar nuclei। ये पोलर न्यूक्लियाई से जुड़ जाता है और बना देता है एंडोस्पर्म। तो हाउ मेनी टाइम fertilization is taking place at one place? 2 times. So that is why it is called as double fertilization. इसलिए हम उसको क्या कहते हैं बच्चा लोग? Double fertilization. So if you want to define double fertilization, how you will define? Listen. When one male gamete fuses with egg cell to form zygote, another male gamete fuses with polar nuclei to form endosperm. This process is called double fertilization. Very important question of your board exam. This zygote which is formed converts into embryo by embryogenesis, that we will discuss in higher classes when you will come. So zygote will develop into embryo, embryo will develop into seed. Pakka? And this endosperm will provide food for this embryo. Understood? Zygote will develop into embryo, embryo into seed. See? So two important questions. What is double fertilization? When one male gamete fuses with egg cell to form zygote, another male gamete fuses with polar nuclei to form endosperm, is called double fertilization. Zygote will develop into embryo, embryo into seed, and endosperm will provide food. Now सीड, अब इस सीड को फिर से आप जमीन में डाल देंगे तो फिर से रूट स्टेम लीफ फ्लावर एंड अगेन दैट प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू. नाउ सीड्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, डाइकॉट सीड एंड मोनोकॉट सीड. डाइकॉट एंड मोनोकॉट. तो डाइकॉट सीड कंटेन टू लेयर, टेस्टा एंड टेगमेन. डाइकॉट सीड में कितनी लेयर होती हैं बेटा? दोनों लेयर, टेस्टा और टेगमेन. And both of them are called as seed coat. So dicot seed contain testa, tegmen, and when you will remove these testa and tegmen, you will see two cotyledon. Two cotyledon. These cotyledon store food. इनके अंदर खाना भरा रहता है. And between these two cotyledon, at upper side there is plumule. And at lower side there is radicle. Plumule give rise to stem and radicle will give rise to root. Understood? So dicot seed contain testa, tegmen. When you remove these testa, tegmen, you will see two cotyledon which store food, above which there is plumule and below which there is radicle. Now come to monocot seed. Monocot seed does not contain testa, tegmen. They contain a protein layer known as allurone layer. Allurone layer. So monocot seed is surrounded by allurone layer. It contain endosperm which store food. इसके अंदर खाना भरा होता है जो एम्ब्रियो को प्रोवाइड कराता है. Its embryo contain again radicle which will develop into root and plumule which will develop into stem. Sure? So how many type of seed are there? Dicot and monocot. So finally, if somebody asks you whatever fruit, जो भी आप fruit खाते हो, it develop from which part of the plant? So your answer will be ovary. And whatever seed जो आप फल के अंदर देखते हो, it develops from ovule. So this was entire process of sexual reproduction in plants. Okay? For notes, I will transfer them later in my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.